G'day guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Aussie Pinoy TV. In this video guys, I am going to make a chook fins because we're planning to get some chooks for the laying eggs, and these days it's very expensive to buy eggs in the shop, so me and my husband have planning to buy some chooks and have it in the backyard. So today is he's at work, so I'm just gonna do it myself to build this chook fence here in the backyard. So this is the one that I got from the hard garbage. This is a chook fence, and also we have the stakes, and my stakes are from the hard garbage as well. These are all from the old clothesline that my husband just picked up from the hard garbage. So this is my stakes or my posts on my chook fins. Alright guys, and I'll get into it. You know, this is very costless chook fence because it didn't cost me nothing really. So let's get into it. First thing first, I'm going to nail the timber on the end of this chook fence that I found on the garbage or the hard rubbish. So I cut a little bit on the edge of it, and now I am going to use the nail gun to nail it to the post of my greenhouse. So that greenhouse is gonna be part of my chook shed actually, but I have to make this chook fence first. So I'll get into it guys. And this chook fence guys that I am building now, it cost me nothing because all of my materials are from the hard garbage. My other half now and is then, like work, December, so I'm just gonna do it a hard garbage that the council has organized. So from there on, I pick up some stuff that I can use from my garden, well, from my garden, or from my chook shed, so, or chook fence. So I just keep them aside because I know for a fact that I'm gonna use it later. A crowbar to so my yes, and also for the tie wire. For the I used to be a chippy. Me and my husband used to work as a chippy, and everything that we have from timber to nails to tie wire is we found it on the work site. So what we do, we just take it home, and we both know that we are going to use it in the house. So this is what we do. Now I am building this chook fence guys. It's costless, so very useful, all these things that we get it from the hard garbage or from work for being a chippy before. So now I'm using all this stuff. Even for being a chippy, you have to have your tools, so everything is costless for me. It's just the labor. So this is why I am doing this, because my husband still work and now I'm at home, so I'm giving him a hand really to, you know, do all this because he works and I stay home. So if he's here, he helped me, but I said, you know, I'm in the house all the time, so I might as well get some chooks on the backyard. Let's have them, and for laying eggs, it just give us a hand. It give us really saves us money. It's only going to be 2 of us, but still it's a lot of savings. You know, you just have to help one another. So this is what I'm doing guys, because I used to be a chippy. That's why I know a little bit of this. So he taught me how to do all this stuff. We've got tools to do it. It's just a matter of the time to make it. So this is what I'm making now. Just give him a hand, really, for both of us. So I'll get into it, guys. Stay tuned, and I'll thank you in advance for watching this video. It's very, very much appreciated. Or there is a comments section down below. Just give me a comment, or where you're watching from, or where is my video reached to. It would be really very much appreciated. Or just give me comments or a reaction to it, if I'm doing the right thing. But for me, you know, this is simple. If I can do it, everyone can do it, char. So thank you all very much for your time, and I'll get into it. Just keep going. Like during the day, I can get the chooks out on this little area here so they can run around. And then in the afternoon, they can go into that greenhouse, which I'm also organizing for them to have lay their eggs. So, but first of all, I have to get this fence done so they can get something to run around and scratch themselves too. They can run around freely, because I know for a fact that these chooks are in cage. So I'm gonna let them run around free, because they are birds, and then they can lay eggs at night if they can go inside that shed. Alright, I'll get into it. Again, guys, if you can give me a thumbs up if you like my video, or subscribe, or even just give me comments down below, it would be really appreciated. Thank you all for your time. Yes, and there it is, guys. Finally done. Now I am going to organize to call and inquire about chooks. What we're going to have is the red chooks, the laying eggs. So there is what I've done. That's only for them not to get out, you know, not to get the fox. I'm still a bit worried about the fox, but I'll deal with it later. The bottom one is already been down, so down to the ground, so hopefully should be all right. So this is the one that I have nailed to the post of the greenhouse. This one, nail it to it, see, then the bottom as well. So there is the project that I built so far for my chook shed, chook wire or chook fins. That should be enough for them to run around and scratch a little bit. Thank you for watching. Very much appreciated, guys. Comments down below or subscribe. And there it is, guys.